Okay, gotta have to solder a tiny jumper. So one of the pad got lift off. It went missing. So I'm gonna have to cut a tiny piece of wire. And we're just gonna bridge it. Slow enough. We're gonna bridge it to the pad. Different pick. Wire need. It's gonna be a tweezer. That doesn't suck. But so still have the soldering iron. Got this little wire. It's long enough. You guys see? No, my hand's like blocking it. This is gonna be hard. I'm gonna try to do this so it doesn't block the view. Yeah, I'm gonna go fix my. I have it hooked up to a computer so you can see from the stereo microscope. Might be a little bit too long. Yeah, this is kinda in my way right now. I'm gonna have this removed. It's a little hard because I want you guys to see, but at the same time, my hand's blocking. Can you even see? Yeah. Alright. I'll get this done somehow. Okay. So I've successfully soldered the jumper to the pin. I just need to hold it in place. Yeah, you guys can see how to hold it in place. And so put the job here. I did it. Cool. I like it. It's done. Now I just need to clean up this stuff off. Clean the flux. Depends on the flux you use. If it's a no clean flux and you don't have to clean it, just make sure you didn't took out any pieces with this. No clean flux, you don't technically have to clean it, but you should because it's messy and sticky. No clean flux doesn't mean it's not corrosive. It's not acidic. But it's still, it doesn't matter. Like, even though it's not technically acidic, it's still a little bit acidic. It wouldn't cause corrosion or anything. In fact, some of those flux are actually good insulators. So you don't really have to clean it, but it looks messy. Don't clean it. Toothbrush would be better. I don't know what my toothbrush is. Solution to pollution is dilution.